Mastering Customs Clearance for Exports, Essential Guide for Exporters. Welcome back to our channel, where we provide valuable insights into customs brokerage and international trade. In today's video, we will explore the topic of customs clearance for exports. We will discuss the key considerations, compliance measures, and best practices to ensure a smooth and efficient customs clearance process when exporting goods to international markets. Significance of customs clearance for exports. Customs clearance is a critical aspect of exporting goods to international markets. It involves fulfilling regulatory requirements, submitting accurate documentation, and ensuring compliance with the customs procedures of the importing countries. Proper customs clearance facilitates the smooth movement of goods across borders and minimizes delays. Let's delve into the key factors that exporters need to consider when dealing with customs clearance for exports. Understanding export controls and regulations. Exporters must have a thorough understanding of export controls and regulations governing the export of specific goods. These regulations vary depending on the nature of the goods, destination country, end-use restrictions, and embargo or sanctions imposed by countries or international bodies. Familiarizing oneself with export control regulations is crucial to comply with trade restrictions and ensure legal and compliant exporting. Product classification and harmonized system code. Proper product classification and assignment of the correct harmonized system (HS) code are essential for customs clearance. Exporters must accurately classify their goods based on their characteristics, composition, and intended use. Assigning the correct HS code ensures accurate customs documentation, facilitates trade statistics, and determines the applicable duties and taxes in the importing country. Documentation requirements. Accurate and comprehensive documentation is crucial for successful customs clearance. Exporters must provide necessary documents, including commercial invoices, packing lists, export licenses, certificates of origin, bills of lading or airway bills, and any other specific documentation required by the importing country. Ensuring accurate and complete documentation saves time, reduces the risk of customs complications, and facilitates the smooth flow of goods. Compliance with customs tariffs and taxes. Exporters must be aware of the customs tariffs and taxes imposed by the importing country. This includes understanding the applicable rates, exemptions, preferential trade agreements, and any trade facilitation programs that may reduce or eliminate customs duties. Compliance with customs tariffs and taxes ensures accurate cost calculations, minimizes financial risks, and promotes competitiveness in international markets. Export license requirements. Certain goods may require an export license or permit before they can be exported. Exporters must determine whether their goods fall under any export control regulations that require licensing. In such cases, obtaining the necessary export license or permit is crucial to comply with regulatory requirements and ensure a seamless customs clearance process. Compliance with trade and sanctions regulations. Exporters must comply with trade and sanctions regulations imposed by their own country and international bodies. These regulations restrict the export of certain goods, technologies, or services to specific countries or entities. Exporters should carefully research and ensure compliance with these regulations to avoid legal penalties and delays in customs clearance. Proper packaging and labeling. Exporters must ensure that goods are appropriately packaged and labeled for transportation and customs clearance. Proper packaging protects the goods during transit and demonstrates compliance with international shipping and handling standards. Accurate labeling provides essential information to customs authorities, including product descriptions, country of origin, handling instructions, and safety warnings. Compliance with product standards and regulations. Exporters must adhere to product standards, quality requirements, and specific regulations applicable to their goods in the destination country. Compliance with product regulations ensures that the exported goods meet the required safety, health, and quality standards. This enhances the reputation of the goods and facilitates customs clearance in the importing country. Engaging with customs brokers. Working with experienced customs brokers specializing in exports can significantly streamline the customs clearance process. Customs brokers have in-depth knowledge of export regulations, documentation requirements, and customs procedures. Engaging with customs brokers ensures compliant customs declarations, accurate documentation, and efficient coordination with customs authorities of the importing country. Utilizing technology solutions. Leveraging technology solutions can enhance the efficiency of customs clearance for exports. Exporters should consider utilizing customs management software, electronic data interchange (EDI) systems, or online platforms to streamline documentation processes, facilitate data exchange with customs authorities, and minimize manual errors. Implementing digital solutions enhances accuracy, expedites customs clearance, and promotes customs compliance. Utilizing trade facilitation programs. Exporters can take advantage of trade facilitation programs to expedite customs clearance. Programs, such as Authorized Economic Operator (AEO), or Trusted Trader programs offered by customs authorities, provide fast-track clearance benefits to eligible exporters. Understanding and adhering to the requirements of these programs can significantly reduce the time required for customs clearance. Compliance with international trade agreements. Exporters should explore international trade agreements and preferential trade arrangements applicable to their goods in target markets. These agreements may offer reduced or eliminated customs duties, simplified customs procedures, and streamlined processes for compliant exporters. Compliance with international trade agreements enhances cost competitiveness and expedites customs clearance. Packaging optimization and cargo consolidation. Optimizing packaging and consolidating cargo can contribute to more efficient customs clearance. Careful packaging and cargo consolidation can minimize shipping costs, reduce paperwork, and improve efficiency in customs procedures. Leveraging efficient logistics and supply chain management practices supports a smooth customs clearance process for export shipments. Risk management and compliance audits. Implementing robust risk management practices and conducting regular compliance audits allow exporters to identify and mitigate potential risks in the customs clearance process. It helps ensure compliance with regulations, maintain accurate records, and address any non-compliance issues promptly. Risk management and compliance audits improve operational efficiency, reduce errors, and enhance customs clearance performance. Collaboration with freight forwarders and carriers. Establishing strong relationships and effective communication channels with freight forwarders and carriers are crucial for successful customs clearance. Collaborating with these partners ensures smooth logistical operations, timely documentation submissions, and efficient coordination for customs clearance. Freight forwarders and carriers can provide valuable guidance in navigating customs requirements and ensuring compliance. Continuous improvement and learning. Exporters should engage in continuous improvement and ongoing learning to stay updated on the evolving customs regulations and requirements. Attending industry seminars, trade conferences, or webinars, and staying informed about changes in export regulations foster knowledge enhancement and facilitate efficient customs clearance. Continuous learning supports adaptability and resilience in international trade. As we conclude this video, we hope you now have a comprehensive understanding of customs clearance for exports. By prioritizing compliance with regulations, ensuring accurate documentation, collaborating with customs brokers, utilizing technology solutions, and applying best practices in packaging and labeling, exporters can streamline the customs clearance process and facilitate the smooth export of goods to international markets. Thank you for watching this video. We appreciate your support. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for future videos, where we will continue to explore various topics related to customs brokerage, international trade, and strategies for navigating the complexities of the import-export industry.